I'm Adrienne Robillard, author of the ʻOhana Grill Cookbook. Today I'm going to make miso chicken thighs. This simple recipe is adapted from one by Hari Kojima of Let's Go Fishing fame. There are only a few ingredients, so let's get started. We're going to mix all the ingredients together except for the chicken and the green onions. I have the miso in here, and I've also already got the sesame oil. I'm adding our white vinegar, shoyu, and sugar. So we're going to mix this well. So that everything is blended. And then I'm adding in our chicken. You want to make sure to coat the chicken. Okay. We'll evenly distribute this. Make sure it's on every side of each thigh. So that will really bring out the flavor. Once all the chicken is coated, you can put it in a dish and cover it, and then marinate it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Or you can always put it in a Ziploc bag in the fridge. And we'll place the chicken on the grill. And then we're going to close the lid and wait about 4 minutes. It's been just over 4 minutes. Time to flip the chicken over. Make sure you oil your grill so that it doesn't stick. And then it's easier to flip also. This is easy to make for a large group, just for your family for dinner. So we'll let it cook for about another 4 minutes. Okay, the chicken is just about done here. So we're going to take it off the grill. And that's the miso chicken thighs from the ʻOhana Grill Cookbook. I like to serve these with sesame eggplant, which is also in the cookbook, and some rice on the side. I hope you enjoy.